Hello everyone, in this video how to make a solid white layer in Photoshop. Apply method on. First of all, go to your layer panels, go to window tab and click layer panels or press F7 on your keyboard. Then click to this icon, create new fill, adjustment layer, solid color and is white or press color code F8. Now click OK and now we can see this create solid white layer. And step 2, method 2, hold Ctrl Shift press N, click OK, create a new layer, click edit tab, fill and click use, select color white. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.